Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth to drink. Start by gathering your essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 pounds of high-quality bones, preferably from grass-fed animals, along with aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps draw out valuable minerals, and plenty of filtered water. Next, for a deeper flavor, roast your bones on a baking sheet for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the roasted bones to a large stock pot, adding your prepared vegetables and 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Cover everything with about 1 inch of filtered water, bring it to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Patience is crucial for a truly potent broth. For beef bones, simmer for 24 to 48 hours. If using chicken bones, 12 to 24 hours is usually sufficient. Throughout the process, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, discarding the solids. Allow your finished bone broth to cool completely before storing. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions for up to 6 months. When you're ready to enjoy, gently reheat your homemade bone broth and savor its rich flavor and nourishing benefits. It's a wonderful addition to your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.